Click on the link below to get price. The G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB Series DDR5 RAM is a stunning blend of performance and aesthetics, designed specifically for AMD platforms. This 64GB, 2x32GB kit stands out with its striking design, which features a sleek, shiny heat spreader and vibrant RGB lighting that can be customized through software. The build quality is top-notch, giving it a premium feel that matches its performance capabilities. When it comes to specs, this RAM operates at a fast speed of 6000 MHz with a CL of 30, making it an excellent choice for both gamers and content creators. The high bandwidth provided by DDR5 technology allows for seamless multitasking and improves overall system responsiveness. I noticed a significant boost in performance during gaming sessions, particularly in memory-intensive titles. Frame rates were noticeably smoother, and load times were reduced, allowing for a more immersive gaming experience. Installation was straightforward, fitting perfectly into my motherboard's DIMM slots. I appreciated the AMD Expo extended profiles for overclocking compatibility, which allows for easy overclocking profiles to be applied directly in the BIOS, making it accessible even for those who may not be experienced in manual overclocking. This feature undoubtedly helps maximize the RAM's potential, ensuring it operates at peak performance. The RGB lighting is another highlight. The synchronization capability with other components makes it easy to create a cohesive aesthetic throughout the build. The lighting effects are vibrant and customizable, which enhances the overall look of my setup. The Gskill Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 RAM is a compelling choice for anyone looking to upgrade their system's memory. With its excellent performance, stunning design, and user-friendly overclocking features, it's a worthy investment for serious gamers and professionals alike. Overall, this RAM exceeded my expectations and has significantly improved my system's capabilities.